Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And I got another quick tip here for ya. This may only apply to novices or beginners to computers. If you are wanting to shut down your computer, you may know about clicking on the Windows icon in the taskbar, selecting the power icon, and clicking shutdown. But a faster way is to just press the power button on your computer. For laptops, by pressing the power button, the computer will either go into sleep mode or shutdown mode. You can also just close the lid on the laptop. Once again, it will either go into sleep mode or shutdown mode. On desktops, when you press the power button, the computer will shut down. This can also be customized to your desired intent when the button is pressed. In most cases, you do not have to wait for the computer to shut down in order to walk away. Just press the button and be on your way. I hope this helps you all out. Till next time, take care, be safe, and peace out.